What's up, guys? It's Grant from Genie Motorsports, and today we're doing an install on custom door stills. So let's get this started. Gross. Let's get this all cleaned up. So these are the custom door stills by Sticky Cats. I'll put all their information down below. But these are what we're going to be installing after I already cleaned. So let's get these installed. So first, after you clean, I'm going to measure out where I think they should go and come back. Alright, so this is a custom install, so you can put these wherever you want on your door. I pushed the chairs all the way up both sides, and I'm lining this corner up with the chair, and that's where I'm gonna place it, in the middle here. So let's get this on. Alright, so I took off the backing and placed it to the best of center as I could without applying it down, so that way when I know I'm all good, and I think I am, I'm going to just lay it on. Like so. Let's see how these look. Look at that. So to finish up the install, I ended up using a paint stripper or a heat gun. You can use a blow dryer as well, just to kind of go over since it's kind of cold out here. But big shout out to Sticky Cats for making these for me and sending them to me. You can check out their website in the link below. Shout out to Sticky Cats. So as always, thanks for watching. Come for the installs, stay for the vlogs. Bye, guys.